Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Dr. Goddess Mona. So listen, I told you the law of attraction's always working. So of course I'm in my kitchen washing some vegetables. I have some mushroom, green peas, and okra in here, and I'm about to make a faux soup real quick before I go to church. Got my ginger, but I'm always receiving. I went to my water store to get some water, and the owner, they were blessed with these. I don't know what you call them. I forgot what they said, but they gave me a handful of them. They're sweet fruit. Maybe you guys know what it is. You can tell me. There's some kind of fruit, but I've never had them. It's like eating an apple or something. But I'm about to wash them because they smell funky. And she was like, smell it. I was like, that's not helping your case. Okay, it smells kind of. Anyway, so I'm going to cut it up and I'm about to make my soup. But I just wanted to let you know I'm cooking and ready up to go to church. And so, bon appetit.